How we doing? How we doing? I'm back. And I gotta tell you, my first love is my weed eater. I'm gonna start up here for you guys. God dang rocks. Well, now, weed eaters are great, but if you want more muscle, you get yourself a Husqvarna chainsaw. Now you feel like a man when you put a dip in or drinking a beer and you grab your chainsaw and you show everybody that you're the lumberjack, you know what I mean? Here it is. Honey, what are you doing? Mind your business, woman. Now, I learned that sound when I was about 12 or 13. So when I'm like, I gotta think of something more. We gotta put like a two-stroke dirt bike in there. Two strokes are a thing of the past. So you get all that Woody over here on his four-stroke. Now, dirt, we love it, but we want that street ride. So we get a Harley Davidson 1540, you know, big boss boy, here we go, Harley Davidson. And now we got a little cocky ninja coming out of the sideway. Ninja R6 crotch rocket, guys. No room for you! Hello! Goodbye! Thank you so much. I got plenty more. My brain is like a Google, man. What do we want to hear next? Keep tuning in. You're going to see much more.